Hello, welcome back to my channel, Pedal Savings. If you are new here, my name is Rosie and I am a cash budgeter that uses the cash envelope system to budget out her finances. So today we will be stuffing $202 into our envelopes. But before we do that, let's take a look at our wallet and see how much we didn't spend this week. So spending, we had $5. We spent the whole thing. Eating out, we had $5. We spent the whole thing. Grocery, we had 70. We spent the whole thing. Gas, 25. We spent the whole thing. Buffer had 10. We have a leftover of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is going to be going into savings challenges, so that's going to go in there. Oh, and then let's put leftover $5, savings $5. Okay, and I'm going to keep that open for now. Okay, and now let's count the cash that we will be working with today. So 6, 8, 1, 2. Wait, is that correct? 2, 4, 6, 8, 1. Yep. 13, 14, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Plus 45. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Okay, it's the correct amount. Let's put these back in here. So now let us stuff our wallet. So spending is going to get $5 this week. I know it's not much, but I could always use the buffer money to bump this up a little. Eating out, it's gonna get $5. Groceries is gonna get 60, so 2, 4, 6. Put that in there. Okay, gas is gonna get 25. And then buffer 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's always tricky folding these bills like this. I mean, I could always fold them in half like I do when I'm in a rush, but I like it that way. It looks pretty. Okay, so let's fill this out. It has 5, 5, 60, 25, and 10. Okay, let's fill in my high priority sinking funds. So wedding, okay, wedding is going to get 24, so 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. So wedding now has, I haven't filled that out yet. probably do that now. Okay, so today is the 4th. Plus 24. Okay, 164 plus 24. Should be 188. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, 288. Now we could fill in one of these. Where's my marker? There it is. Making sure I have the correct amount. Oh, 188 divided by 4. Okay. Okay, apartment is a new safe sinking fund, but we're going to only fill up 29, so I'm not gonna fill out a thing yet because we haven't saved up the full 58. And let me add that to here. Plus 29 equals 29. So this one had 188 and this one has 29. 25, 6, 7, 8, and 9. If you hear a bunch of car noises, that's because we live by like a highway. Okay, so Derek's gonna get 5 this week. So 2/4 plus 5 equals 34. I might give this one a little bump next week or something by like $1 so that it could be in increments of 5, because that's kind of annoying me a little. Okay, so now Derek has 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Emergency is going to get 5. So now should have 26. Like this one, I might bump up again next week. Bump up like Derek's because I want to see it in increments of 5. So it has 10, 15, 20, 25, 26. Okay, beauty. Let's just fill out these zeros so that I don't accidentally fill them in. Okay, so beauty is getting 2. So now it has 4. Meds isn't gonna get anything this week. Okay, toiletries. Okay, it's getting 2. So it has 9. I need to make more of my version of the budget sheets because I don't like this description column. Okay, wardrobe. It's getting 2. Let me pull out the budget sheet. So it's going to have $14. Okay, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And that's it for this binder. So next binder is going to be my low priority categories. So let's go all the way to Christmas is getting nothing. Content is getting 2. I need to make some budget sheets for these categories. 2. Date night is getting 2. So now it has 7. Okay. Oh. Okay, furniture is getting 2. So now it has 1, 2, so it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know what happened to the budget sheet for this one. I think it fell out or something. I don't know. Okay, gifts is getting nothing. Home, nothing. Household. So I did take money out because we had to buy laundry soap. Was it laundry soap? Yeah. Okay, so now it just has $2. Okay, Rosie Art Studio is getting 10. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I will be using this cash this weekend. Actually, yeah, this weekend. Because I am doing a market for my art business. So that's gonna go to great use. And that's it for this full binder. Let's go to my savings challenges. Let me move this paper here because I need this. So $20.25 is going to get the 10. So let's get this 5 and these 1s. So let's do the count. So 20, 40, yeah, 20, 40, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wait. 20, 40, 20, 45, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $55. I confused myself there for a second. I was like, wait a second. Should have 45 plus the 10 equals 55. So let's cross that out. We put 10 and now it has 55. making sure the permanent marker is dry before I put it back in. Ugh. I always have a hard time sticking this back in here. Okay, $1 savings is getting nothing. Stupid Cupid is getting $2 today. So 1, 2. So that's $2. Flower Power is getting $1. So we're going to color this leaf here. I want to get different colored permanent markers so that this will look better instead of just black. Okay, Love Letters is getting 2. Getting the last $2. Okay, and that's it. Oh, let me update my tracker. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video, helping me stuff my cash into my binders. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below what you would like to see more of on this channel. Like, would you want to see more cash planning, or would you like to see more cash stuffing? Also, do you want more like savings challenges? Let me know. Okay, bye.